Guys, what's up? This is a 2004 Chevrolet Silverado. What's up, guys? Just kidding, it's Mark. It's not Ace Ventura, it's Mark. Check it out. I'm sweating my balls off and my ass is talking shit. Anywho, just kidding. This is a gorgeous friggin' truck. You guys are gonna like this one. This is a 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 cat eye. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Check it out. It's kick-ass, man. It's awesome. I'm friggin' in love with it. It came out really nice. We did a lot of work to this truck as far as, you know, getting it up to par, kind of restoring it back to how it should be and stuff like that. Took the side moldings off, got it undercoated. You can see it's super, super clean. Look at the paint. Paint is amazing. Now it does have a few flaws. I'm not gonna BS you guys. I'm gonna make it kind of quick so you guys can gather the video. It's got a little kind of chippage right there, but I'll touch that up with some touch-up paint. I just got the whole bed rails undercoated, or bed liner coated by Shineline out of Fredericksburg, Virginia. Super nice job. And I have them take off the ugly ass freaking plastic shitty piece that goes there and line it up all the way through. So it's a really nice job they did. It's a really, really good job. It looks really nice. Gives it a nice touch and it's rugged as shit. Guys, this truck is a black beast. I mean, you won't find big black women that are nicer than this truck. Actually, I don't know where I'm gonna go with that, but I'm just gonna stop right there. So I'll try to compare it to a nice analogy of something cool, but this is just a freaking beast ass truck, guys. We are rocking a set of Toyo Open Country MTs. These are a 37 1350 18-inch tire. You got about probably, I don't know, 25% tread left, I was gonna say, on all four. These are a moto metal wheel, gorgeous looking, cool wheel. You can interchange these. Now keep in mind, I have these green ones and I got red ones, and you also have black ones too that you can interchange. Take these out and put them in whatever color you want. So on with the truck. Paint, once again, nice as hell. I'm gonna show you guys all around it real quick. Backup camera. It's got 2 sets of taillights I'm throwing in here, all black set, aftermarket, and the factory set right here. It's got a Flowmaster exhaust system on this truck, dual side exit exhaust. And you can see it's been undercoated. Super, super nice. There's the Flowmaster muffler. I think it's a dual chamber 40 series muffler. But look how nice the undercoat came out. Came out really nice. Super, super nice. All clean as hell up top. No, never been mudding. Well, I mean, probably in the dirt here or there a few times, but you know, you can usually telltale signs of seeing shit caked up and stuff like that. If somebody's like, oh, my truck's never been mudding. Yeah, mofo, let me look underneath some of the drop brackets and shit like that, and some of the skid plates and whatnot. Then you'll find out. So anyways, this is a really nice truck right here. It's super, super clean. It's got some flaws in it as far as, you know, a little bit of rock chips here, a few you know, scratches here there you kind of see, but this is, I'm being precise as I could be. So underside is really nice. It runs and drives great. Runs and drives friggin' amazing. On with the body. The roof's in great shape. No major dents in the roof. I don't know if you guys can see that. Here's underneath of the front right here. Super duper duper nice! Super nice! People are probably staring at me right now, but there it is. She's pretty. Check it out. Hope you guys like this one. I'm gonna start up for you in a second. Sounds good. Brand new inspection on the truck. Passed the flying colors. VA inspection. On with the inside of the truck. Bose system right here. You got an edge tuner. Oh yeah, speaking of which, all the stuff in the back right here, including the factory stereo and the Edge Evolution CTS monitor right here. So you get all that stuff. It incorporates as well as a backup camera as well. I'm sorry, that's a tuner for the monitor. Start the truck up so you guys hear it. It's hot as shit out here right now at the moment. This truck has 140-something thousand miles on it, I want to say. Double DIN Kenwood or Pioneer CD player or Bluetooth. 147,557 miles. No check engine lights on. We replaced I want to say 202 sensors in it. Yeah, she's just an overall nice truck. Really, really nice truck. So hope you guys like this one. Listen to this. Ready? Has a nice rumble to it. It sounds really nice. But there you have it. A lot of steering wheel controls on this truck. I'll actually drive it real quick for you guys so you can scope it out, see how it looks driving. Try to make this video as quickly as possible, the best I can. I'll back it up and then drive it forward. Just back it up and drive it forward. Just back it up, or back it up and drive it forward. Just back it up and drive it forward. Just back it up and drive it forward. That's it. Back it up and drive it forward. Just back it up and drive it forward. That's all I gotta do. Anywho, hope you guys enjoyed the show. This is the Mark J Show, baby. Over and out. This is the 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 quad cab short bed. Gorgeous truck. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe. She's clean, she's pretty. And that's it. Holler at you. Peace out. 540-848-2974. Call me if you guys have any questions. I'm 6 foot tall. Anthony, my boy, I referenced that to kind of get close to the truck to see how I stand next to the truck. That way you guys can see how tall these trucks actually are. Here's the mirror. I'm 6 foot tall. The mirror is right here. Oh, yeah. Mirror. Mirror love, I call it. There you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. Peace out.